so this is how you edit in DaVinci Resolve. I have the paid version. There is also a free version. The difference from the paid version that I have, which is the DaVinci Resolve Studio, versus the free version, is the Studio have more flexibility on the color page, the audio page, and have a photo editing page, and a couple of more features, such as templates, text, thing like that. All right, so if you look on my left side, you'll see where I got video transitions, audio, title, generator effects, and so on. So the first thing you want to do, once you open it up on your screen, on your desktop or laptop. Now I'm going to look up at my top monitor because I got two monitors. All right, so what I'm going to do, and when you click it, open it up, this is what you're going to see. You'll see that right there. And you're going to click create. And wherever you save your media at on your desktop or laptop, that's where you want to get your media. So you're going to hit file, I'm going to go to import media, and I already got mine that is on a folder or on my desktop. So I'm just going to click on this right here. This particular video, I'm going to bring it up. So it asks change project frame rate, never change the frame rate that you shot in. So you will click don't change, and that'll come up there, and you'll just drag that down here. Now keep in mind, this is color graded, so it's looking flat. So I'm going to fix that right quick. And I will show you how to color grade in part 2. Just don't want to show you too much and get you overwhelmed. Before I do that, let me show you what all these are. This here is a photo type bins area. This is your photo editing area. This is your cut area. Here is your media area right here. This is your fusion. I don't really use that. This is your color page. And that's your audio page, so you can enhance your audio, your bass, your voice, things like that. And this is your deliver. Deliver means you burning it now. So you are converting it and you exporting it to a file to be uploaded. All right, but I'll show you all that after we finish editing. I'm just gonna do a basic edit. All right, so this right here, this is your plus. This makes the timeline bigger. This makes it smaller. You want to start anywhere that you see a gap at, that's where you got dead space. That's when you're not talking. So you want to erase the gaps. Shortcut is Control B to cut, and I will show you that. After you cut, you'll want to slide it over, and I'm going to show you right now. So say if this, so I'm going to let you hear me talking now, and you're going to be able to hear the dead space. So you'll see where I'm talking.
Because at the end of the day, why not you?
Now you can't hear nothing. See that? Okay, now watch. Now I'm going to cut that space there. So you're going to Control B. So hit Control B. Right there. Then you use your right arrow or left arrow, wherever you need to go. You want to get about right there. If you can't see it, remember you can always make the timeline bigger so you can actually see where it's at. About right there. Always get it on the edge of it. Then Control B. Then you're going to use your cursor and just highlight it. Then you're going to do Shift and your left arrow. That's going to make it closer. Now remember, I was talking there. Now watch. Now you ain't going to hear no dead space. Now listen.
You were blessed.
So I'm going to say it again.
You were blessed.
So I can even cut that right there if I wanted to. Control B. Hit that arrow there. Shift left. Now from here to here is what I cut out the dead spot. So listen.
Why not you? You.
Okay, so that's how you clean up dead space or dead air. All right, next I'm going to show you how to add text effects to it. Transitions. We're going to have to do this in more than one part, by the way. All right, so let's just add some text. So you look over here, titles. We're going to click on titles. So you can add, it'll give you a preview. So we can add diffusion titles like that right there. We can add that to there. We can add this. And I'm just going to add anything just for the time being. You drag it and you put it over here. And you're going to see sample right there. Every text thing have a sample. All right. So after that, what you want to do, you're going to go to import media. And I got mine in my downloads. I'm just going to get one of the audios that I downloaded. Probably, we'll just get this one for the sake of the video. Just open it. Okay, you see this right here. Now, let me show you this. You can always add more tracks. So you'll go to this area here, you'll right click, and you'll click add track mono. Add track mono. So that gives you more, so you won't have to worry about putting your audio track that's running into your sound effects. We're gonna go over sound effects and all that in the second part. Trust me, I will help you all right. All right, so we're gonna drag this audio down here. We're gonna put it right here, at the bottom, at the very beginning. So notice that gap there. So we can trim that down and slide up if we want to, or we can just leave it like it is. So we'll leave it like it is. And you see these is the sound waves. So you know that's gonna be too high. Now listen, that's gonna be higher than me, listen.
I want all of y'all to drop in the comments.
See, so that's higher than me. So we're gonna make it lower. You can do it by getting this and made it. You can do it that way. The easiest way to do it though is click on it. You'll go up here to your audio, and you see right here. Always use your audio tracks to sound lower than you. I say minus 38. Depends on the audio track, but minus 38 usually is a good one. So we'll start out about minus 36, 38. And we're gonna click play.
I want all of y'all to drop in the comment sections.
So you can hear it
Why
now.
not you?
So we'll turn up a little bit, about right there. And listen.
I want all of y'all to drop in the comment sections. Why not you? And this is what this video is.
So that's how you add music. That's the level you want to have it at. Don't worry, I will go back over every one of these with y'all in other parts. I'm just showing y'all the basics for now. Try it out on the free version. You can do all of this with the free version. You don't need the paid version for this. So I showed you how to put a transition. I showed you how to split it. I showed you how to cut out dead space. And I also showed you how to add music and adjust the level. Don't worry about remembering all that. We'll go back over that. The last thing you want to do when you do all this, if you ain't color grading, we're going to click that sign there, that's deliver. And you're going to name it whatever you want to name it. So we just going to name this test. All right, so we named it test. Or did I? All right, so we're going to name it test. Just like that. And then we're going to go down to MP4. We want that to be MP4. If your PC can handle MP4, I suggest you do MP4. If you got an external graphic card, I got an NVIDIA, right? So I'm going to use the codec will be H.64. My encoder going to be NVIDIA. If you don't, you got Windows, you will see Intel. You got AMD, you will see AMD, something like that. After that, after you do all that, name it, you're going to click on add to render. Okay, so you got to browse and find where you want to put it. We just going to put this on the desktop. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the right computer or the right hard drive, because I got like 7 hard drives on here. And we're going to just go for here. We're going to put it on desktop. And now we got test and save. Now we're going to click add to render. You see right there? Add to the queue. Now we're going to click render all. And now you will see it burning. It is exporting it to your location so you can upload it. All right, so after it's over, we can just close this out. All right, so when you find it, you want to make sure everything went over right. So we're going to open with, I got mine playing with VLC. Okay, so notice we will see the transition we put in, the audio, and the cut we made starting now. Now watch this.
Because at the end of the day, why not you? You
Transition.
were blessed
That go to text.
to see age
And
40.
that's it. That's all you got to do. You can rewind this and replay it as many times as you want to. This is only part 1. Part 2 will be coming up in probably another 3 days. Y'all have any questions, drop in a comment. Consider subscribing if this helped you out. I will show you from beginning to end, and you will be able to take your content and share your content and make you a YouTube channel, TikTok, or whatever. All right? I'll see y'all in the next video.